Undo that one.
I was just gonna sit down.
Oh, okay. All right, I think we just have to do one side of this. You know what I mean? Because this box is like, I don't know what happened here, but it is, this thing is little, it's not looking too good, this box. And if she sends it back, we probably need the box, right? All right, I guess I gotta go this way. Well, the way the box came, I think we could return it without a problem.
But I think that's a fabric thing, so I don't know what you just cut.
I cut the top of the box. Oh yeah. This is going to require some assembly too. Legs. What does this say? Legs in storage of product. Okay, I get it.
So we might put that in that box back again.
Oh, nice.
Oh, it's a good color.
Good, get her. There it is.
But
Before I go any farther,
kind of shallow. So let's get it out so I can see.
well, take that off of there.
Good color.
Are you ready?
Oh, so it's under it.
Let's pull it out. Set it over here.
That's it.
All right, that's it. I have to put the legs on.
There is legs.
Yeah, there's legs right here.
All right, let's put this over here. Remove this and put stuff in here and see if that works.
What the hell?
That obviously is much better.
This is it's connected to something here. Need to get it out of there. Because these are the legs. All right. So now I take these legs and I got to put it on the bottom. So we got to open that up.
Help me lift it up over the couch.
All right, you ready?
That's
Oh, hang on, just set it down for a second.
That's all oil in there.
There's what?
That was oil.
Oil where?
There's something in this joint right here.
Oh, don't grab it. Grab it here.
Yeah, I did, but I couldn't get it just.
Got it?
I have to close the box.
You don't have to close it.
Honey, I can't.
Just pick it up. God. And remember, I haven't put the legs on it yet. So I got to put the legs on. You follow me? What do you think?
I have to see what fits in it. Is that as much as it comes open?
That's it.
Wait, this is as far as it opens?
Well, maybe it opens farther. Nope, that's it.
I don't think so. That's weird.
No, it looks like it might open farther.
That's crazy.
Let's pull it towards you.
Huh?
Just pull it towards you.
Pull what?
The whole box. And then put some weight. Oh, shit. That thing's stupid. All right, now push on it a little bit. Does the hinge go any farther? That's it, I guess. I guess that's it. Oh, you just broke it. Made it. You just broke it, huh?
So it only goes like that.
All right, well, all right, so we've got to put the feet on. And the honey is unwrapping them as we speak. Let's see what they look like.
That's good.
Let me see one. Let's see.
What are these
Give me that. Those are washers. They go over the thing.
2 each?
Yeah, you got to take the thing off.
2.
There's four. There's four. Honey.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, these are not for that. They're for something else.
All right, so these come off, and then you screw them on. All right, so we got to get them out of the plastic. This comes off. You got to unscrew it.
It is a washer ring, and there's only 7. So why are there only 7?
Well, in case you lose one, I guess. There's one. In case you lose one.
What are you talking about?
There's 2. In case you lose the washer, you got extras. Or maybe somebody at the factory where they were making them just throw them in there. And Last but not least, number 4. Okay, so if you look at these, they're bent a certain way. So we have to figure out which way these are going to go on. Do they go like this?
The bevel goes inside of the leg.
So the bevel's on the inside. So we got to put the bevel on the inside. And then we also have these washers they gave us. They gave us a lot, but there's like 8 of them, which doesn't make a lot of sense, but I guess we'll just have them on there. First, we got to cut this wire. So I do believe that these go right on like that.
Interesting that they give you 7 washers and 4 legs.
And I'm only putting 1 washer on because I don't think you need more than 1 washer. I've got 3 extras. Somebody at the factory screwed up. So here's all of our things. When we put them on, the bevels goes to the inside, like this. You follows me? Like that. All right, now we got to pick up this thing and stick it on here. And we got to take everything out of it.
I don't want to take everything out.
Well, we have to, because I have to turn it over to put the feet on.
Let's turn it over up here, upside down.
We got a bunch of stuff in there.
Let's just turn it over.
Oh my God, it's going to
Let's see how
be,
heavy
you
it
won't be able to pick it up.
Let's see.
My genius wife says, put it like this and get the wheels.
Yeah, so hard.
All right, she's
All
just,
over, all over the place.
she's what I call a pain in the
But we can spend time taking everything out if you want.
keister. She's a keister painter. All right, spin her in there, spin face. Spinny diddy din din. You notice that they're color coded and you're supposed to put them at a certain thing, right?
The bevel goes in. I know.
All right, just bevel it in. Just bevel it. Bevel's supposed to go in. All right, do the other one. Do it, do it. Do it to it.
Is that in?
I don't know, is it?
Can't feel it. I guess it is.
You'll know in a second.
Is it even doing anything?
You gotta get it in the hole. I know that's my job.
Go ahead. Good job.
No, it's there somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. It really takes a lot of spins.
Okay.
Shoot. Remember, the bevel goes, where does it go? In. So I think that's right. I think that's, honey, I think this might be wrong.
No.
You want it like that?
They're all right.
I thought the bevel was supposed to go to the inside.
It does, inside. They face each other.
No,
Inside. They're all right.
no, this has to be straight on this side.
What?
This
Wait.
has, yeah. It's got to be straight.
Wait. That doesn't work then.
Like that. That's how it's supposed to be.
Oh, yeah. Right.
See that?
Right. So this has to be,
You got to go around.
careful.
Just
you don't
like-
want to over tighten it.
It's going to be fine. There you go, right there.
There. Okay.
This one, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, wait a minute.
That's it.
Wait a minute.
What?
The,
Straight. Is that right? That looks right.
I think it's got to go like this.
What are you doing?
There. That's how it goes. It's got to be straight here and here.
Yes.
Here and here,
Yes.
right? Here.
Yeah.
You follow me?
Yes. Ready?
All right, hang on. All right, here we go.
Hold the top. Got it?
Oh my God, it's so heavy.
Don't put it on the ground like that on the thing. There. Perfect.
Okay. There it is. We did it.
Good enough.
If you like this video, subscribe to our channel where we do stuff like that.